How to fix the no audio output device installed error on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to restore your audio output on your PC. First, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. At this point, check if any audio device is listed there at all, even with a yellow warning icon. From there, if a device appears with a warning icon, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest available driver. In the next step, if no audio device is listed at all, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. From there, wait for Windows to detect and reinstall your audio hardware automatically. Once done, restart your PC and check if the audio device now appears. Following this, if it is still missing, go back to Device Manager and click on View at the top. Then select Show Hidden Devices. From here, check again under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers for any grayed-out devices that may now be visible. At this stage, if a grayed-out device appears, right-click on it and click on Enable Device. After this, if none of this works, right-click on the Start button, click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal, and run it as administrator. Type in sfc/sncaw and press Enter to scan and repair any corrupted system files related to audio drivers. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the no audio output device installed error, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.